Hello, grade 4. Our unit is at Mona's house, unit 3. Today we have lessons 3 and 4, and we are talking about grammar. So let's have fun. We are talking about present simple tense. And here we have a question for, or how to make a question using present simple tense. Look at these examples. The first example, when do you exercise? When do you exercise? The answer, I exercise in the morning. I exercise in the morning. Example number 2, when do they use the computer? When do they use the computer? The answer, they use the computer in the evening. They use the computer in the evening. Look at the first example, when do you exercise? Today we are asking using when, and as you know, we use when, question word when we talk about or ask about the time. So when we ask about the time, we use the question word when. And then after when we use do. The helping verb here, do. When do you? And the subject from the first example, here we have the subject you and they from the second example, so we use you or they. When do you? When do they? And then followed by the infinitive or the white verb. Here we have at the first example, the white verb is exercise, so we asked using when do you exercise. Again, look at the first example. We started with when plus do plus the subject to plus the white verb exercise, and the answer, I exercise in the morning. I exercise in the morning. Question number 2, when do they use the computer? We started with when, the question word when, then followed by do, helping verb do, then followed by they, the subject they, then followed by the infinitive or the white verb use. So we asked using when do they use the computer, and the answer, they use the computer in the evening. And look at these examples. The first one, when does she watch videos? When does she watch videos? The answer, she watches videos in the afternoon. She watched videos in the afternoon. The second example, when does he listen to music? When does he listen to music? And the answer, he listens to music at night. He listens to music at night. Look at the first example, when does. Here we have when, asking about the time, so followed by does. Why did we use does? Because here we have the subject she at the first example and subject he at the second example. So we used when does she, when does she, then followed by watch is the white verb or the infinitive. So how to make a question using when? We start with when followed by does, because here we have the subject she, then followed by the subject she, then followed by watch or the white verb. And the answer, she watches videos in the afternoon. Example number 4, when does he listen to music? We started with when, the question word when, then followed by does, because here we have the subject he, so we said when does he listen. Listen is a white verb. We didn't add anything. We didn't add s, we didn't add d or any addition. So we said when does he listen to music? Again, when does he listen to music? And the answer, he listens to music at night. So look at the form. We start with when, the question word when, then followed by do or does, according to the subject. As you know, when do you, when do they, when do we, or when does he, when does she, when does it, and then followed by the infinitive or the white verb. Again, we start with when, followed by do or does, according to the subject, plus subject plus infinitive. And here we have a keywords or some words, in the morning, in the morning, in the morning, in the evening, in the evening, in the afternoon, at night, and at night again, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, at night. Let's move to phonics. Today we have new words. Let's just start with the first word, popcorn. Popcorn. Again, popcorn. Bird. Bird. Gum. Gum. Key. Key. Meat. Meat. Again, popcorn, bird, gum, key, meat. Nurse. Nurse. Door. Door. Tape. Tape. Horse. Horse. Window. Window. Again, nurse, door, tape, horse, window. Let's go on. Fish. Fish. Vet. Vet. Sing. Sing. Zero. Zero. Jacket. Jacket. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Fish. Vet. Sing. Zero. Jacket. Yo-yo. Let's move on. Leg. Leg. Rabbit. Rabbit. Cake. Cake. Queen. Queen. Duck. Duck. Six. Again, leg, rabbit, cake, queen, duck, and six. Let's practice on these words. Read the sentences. The first example or the first sentence. The big dog and the fat cat see the wet vet. Again, the big dog and the fat cat see the wet vet. Sentence number 2. The dog on the red box and the goat with a sock eat jam. Again, the dog on the red box and the goat with a sock eat jam. Let's do some exercises on lessons 3 and 4. The first question, choose the correct answer from A, B, or C. Number 1. I exercise space the morning. I exercise space the morning. In, on, at. In, on, at. The answer is I exercise in the morning. In the morning. Underline in. Number 2. She sleeps space night. She sleeps space night. At, in, from. The answer is she sleeps at night. At night. So the answer is she sleeps at night. Number 3. When space Salma eat lunch. When space Salma eat lunch. Do, is, does. Do, is, does. As you can see from the question, the subject here Salma. As you know, we use does with he, she, or it, or singular noun like Salma. So the answer is when does Salma eat lunch? When does. Underline does. Number 4. It's raining. Ahmad space wet. It's raining. Ahmad space wet. Are, is, am. Are, is, am. As you can see, singular noun, we use is. Ahmad is wet. So the answer is Ahmad is wet. Question number 2. Read and choose the odd one. Let's start with the first question. Nurse, vet, teacher, horse. Nurse, vet, teacher, horse. Take your time. So the answer is excellent, you are. Horse. The odd word is horse. Number 2. School, tool, net, box. School, tool, net, box. You have 3 seconds to answer. Well done. The answer is school. School. So you can choose school. So the answer is school. Number 3, sing, leg, watch, wash. Sing, leg, watch, wash. As you can see, sing, watch, and wash are verbs, but the odd word is leg. So the answer is leg, leg. Number 4, big, fat, beard, tall. Big, fat, beard, tall. Take your time. Well done. The answer is beard, because here we have big, fat, and tall are adjectives. So the odd word is beard. Underline beard. Thanks for listening and see you next time, inshallah.